All right, hey, David here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I want to talk about my two best trade setups today. And we didn't have momentum. Bottom line, momentum wasn't in the cards today, but there was a couple good trade setups that I want to talk about during my trading session. One came at the open. I caught this move right here at 8 o'clock. Get my screen draw tool out. So here's the trade setup right in here, coming in at 8 o'clock on a Friday. A lot of times on a Friday, you'll have a sell-off early on a Friday. So you go back and look at your own charts and whatnot, and you can see that a lot of times you will find an early morning sell-off that starts roughly at 8 a.m. CST. Now, I did have a plan here coming into this trade. I was going long above and short below. Short got filled first, so I went short. So this is going to be probably one of my stronger trading strategies coming in at 8 a.m. on off the open. Now, I was looking for the market at this time. The low was 5666. So what I wanted us to get to was through that number, and the GAN number today was 5611. So on the short side trading, I was looking for 5611. Of course, this did not work out. I think I got out somewhere on this area right there as it crossed over, and I was. So this was one of my better trades of the day. And then we had this volume here, and then I tried a short, or excuse me, after that, after this short got knocked out, I looked for a long setup because volume was going the other direction, and the second setup, I know what it looks like when I see it. All right, so this is the second setup that I like today, and what I liked about it, we had a GAN signal through prices this way. You can see 1, 2, 3, and then I got involved right around here as it went up through here, and it stopped up there at 74, and then it came back down, and I got knocked out on the way coming. So this waiting for a good setup to come, and I finally found one that I liked above. This yellow line was the close of Thursday, so I was trying to find a place, and it looked like there was accumulation of orders here, and I caught this move coming out, and it didn't break either. It stopped right up here, and then it came back down all the way back into the break-even area. So these are the two best setups I had today, and there was no momentum to drive either one of these trades. So the long setup, what I was looking for was 58.42. Coming in right there, I believe I was long right through here at 43. 57.43 if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure that's where I got involved, or maybe a little bit better. Maybe it was 57.40. Oh, I remember it was 44. 57.44. And so it was worth about 98 ticks if it would have ran up to that level. Now I believe there's a box, an R1 and R2. I believe that there's a supply up there where R1 and R2 hung out today, but we weren't able to get to it. So honestly, what I was looking for was the market to break and go up. But at 8 a.m., I would look for the market to break down. This is the best chance the market had to go short. And if I look back at my trades, I believe this is the only time I was short, with the exception of I might have got short one other time when it broke through here on this point in time. I think I got short in here somewhere, and I took a hit. And then I stopped trading, took a small loss, and moved on. I looked at this here. Well, that was. I looked at this. Yeah, I looked at this as accumulation. That we were coming back down to this area again, and that it was going to break out. And then I got out. This one, I got out at break even too as well. You can see this little setup, and you see this bar, and this the Thursday's high holds right here, and I got involved right here. So this, I guess the third setup, I got off here, got out, and then I tried again thinking that we were going to come down just to here based upon all this other stuff back here. And right here, you see this. I believe I got long right in here, hoping that it would go like that. Another nice entry point is the way I look at my trading, but there was no momentum to drive. There's no Momo to drive any of my trades to profitability. So I liked my trade setups today. I think I was on top of my game today. I just didn't want to break. So as I talked about before, I was looking for 56.11 on the short, which I stopped shorting after this point. I only had I think I only had 2 shorts and a couple longs today, but these are my best setups that I saw that had a possibility of going somewhere. And on the upside potential, I was looking for 58.42. Obviously, neither one of those was hit today. It was an inside trading day for the most part. Although it did make a new high, it really didn't go anywhere in the day, in the trading session. All right, so let's go and do it. This is Dave Knight here from 123 Day Trade. Hope you had a better trading week than me. I felt like I finally got my act together on Friday, and hopefully it'll carry forward into Monday and into next week. Talk to you later. Bye for now.